We've got a game today for you called Euro Truck Driver. This game is a lot of fun and maybe a little stressful for me the first time I was playing it. Now, I love games like these that are strategy and that have a lot of things that you got to be paying attention to. So let's take a look at the menu. We've got a few settings. You have different steering modes here with tilt and different controls, and then a steering wheel that you can drag up and down over. I'm going to go ahead and choose this model of steering. I'm going to choose 2 miles per hour, leave it at auto transmission, and then go back. So there's a multiplayer mode in this game, but we're not going to get into that. We're just going to go and take a look at the game. Multiplayer allows you to play with friends. So I'm going to go ahead and start a new game and we'll select a city and get started. So the object here is to accept a job and transport the goods from one place to another, and you follow with GPS to go from start to finish. So here it also gives me a chance to choose my steering mode. I'm just going to go ahead and choose that again, and it says go to the green marker in front of me for a job. So using my controls and my throttle pedal here, I'm going to drive my truck over to that and show jobs. So it shows me the different jobs that are available as well as what their pay is and the distance. So I'm going to go with a short one just for the sake of this video, so we'll go ahead and click take on the bottom one. Now go take the trailer, so we need to look at the mini map and find the green trailer. The mini map is at the bottom right. There's also different camera angles, so let's take a look at those. I'm tapping on the camera in the top right-hand corner to show you what those look like. That's a good option for, when you can't see around you and you need to quickly just kind of try and find something in the vicinity. So you can drive around just like so. Hit D to go back into drive and R for reverse. And then you have your brake pedal as well. So there is my trailer, so I need to get backed up to that. So we'll go ahead and get myself situated here. Switch appropriate camera angle so I can see where I'm going. Oh, we're a little bit off here, so I'm going to go ahead and go into drive. Get myself back here, line up, and get that trailer connected. There we go. All right, so now I need to get on the road. So some of these I'll have to choose whatever camera angle works best for me. Now you need to avoid hitting things, driving off the road. You lose money for that because obviously it causes damage. So we're following the GPS. You can see that down in the bottom right-hand corner. There are other things you need to avoid, such as cars. I'm kind of swerving all over the place here. And as you can see, we've got a red light, so I need to stop before I hit a car in front of me, which I almost did. All right, here we go. Now we're back on the road. Let's find a camera angle that helps me see a little bit better. All right, so when you get to your destination, which does take a few minutes, I'm not going to make you sit through all of that. When you get to your destination, you have to park your trailer. There's an auto park mode, so as long as you're within a reasonable distance, you can actually auto park, which is kind of nice because jockeying the trailer around is just craziness. So we'll just keep going here. Now there's a police officer up here, it looks like, kind of directing traffic. I'm not too sure exactly what that's for. I'm thinking maybe it's for like an event or something, so I'm just going to keep on driving and hope that I don't get pulled over. I've got a vehicle on the right of me, so I need to try to stay out of their lane so I don't crash into that person. I also need to make sure that I don't speed. Oh, I did crash into him a little bit. You can see I lost a little bit of money. It's hard to stay in your lane and not hit the people next to you because the lanes are relatively small in comparison to the size of your truck. So here comes a vehicle in front of me. I want to make sure not to hit that person. Oh, I just crashed. So, as you can see, this is a challenging game. It is a little stressful, but it's fun. It'll start raining on you. I mean, there's all sorts of things that can happen in this game, and there are lots of different levels for you to try as well. So we'll go ahead and pause. Here in the garage, I could see the leaderboard. I can upgrade my truck, change it, see my progress, all these different things, and then see how I'm progressing throughout the game in the different levels. So if you are looking for a challenging game, this one is definitely it. You can even, change music, play music that's in your on your device already. Euro Truck Driver is a lot of fun, so make sure that you check it out. It's available in the Android store, so in Google Play Store. You can get it today for your Android devices. It's also available on iOS. Make sure to check it out. Thanks for watching State of Tech.